suddenly slow down. It's because of resistance. That's what we call the stuff that gets in the way of electrons moving through a wire. Resistance basically controls how fast the current flows. So, why is the current weaker in a thin wire? Well, thin wires have more resistance, which makes the electrons move slower, so less power gets through. Rust is a part that purposely stops the flow of current to keep the circuit safe and prevent too much current from damaging any device. Inside the wire, electrons keep bumping into each other, which slows them down. That's what causes resistance. When the wire heats up, it gets harder for the electrons to move, which raises the resistance and lowers the current. If you connect the LED straight to the power source, it lights up. But by adding resistance, you control the current, so the LED stays on safely. Resistance is like traffic on the road. The more obstacles, the slower things move, so the current can't flow too fast. Also, the longer the wire, the longer the path the electrons have to travel. This makes it harder for electricity to flow and wastes power. Electrons move easily through copper wire because it doesn't resist much. That's why copper is used for wiring in homes. Resistance is measured in ohms, and this number shows how quickly or slowly the current moves through a circuit. Using a variable resistor, we can change the resistance. Speed is controlled by turning the current up or down. Without resistance, the electricity would run wild and could damage the circuit. So the resistor is the most important part of any electronic circuit. If you want to understand electricity in simple terms, subscribe to NadyTech.org now.